Welcome to the Battery Show 2026 here in Stuttgart. Welcome to Weil Technology. Last year's event made one thing clear. The industry is moving fast, driven by higher demand, faster ramp-ups and the need for more efficient battery systems. At Weil, we are focusing on adding value to our customer by providing full production solutions. In 2025, we introduced innovative production methods for cell cans, providing increased driving range. And this year we are focusing on thermal management, as this is a key driver for performance, lifetime and reliability of modern battery systems.
This year on our booth we are presenting our newest development technology, what is laser welding of aluminium cooling plates, and this we are applying here for 3000 series aluminium and for 5000 series aluminium, as well as for stainless steel. Especially for this product we designed a new series machinery, as you can see it here on our back wall of the booth, what is based on multiple scanner optics, and we finally generate an output of about 10 seconds per plate.
In the field of e-mobility and thermal management components, improving our customers' processes is the core of our daily work. That's why we are proud to present our latest innovation at the Battery Show. A high-performance strip alignment solution for multi-track film production systems. Our systems are engineered to meet these challenges, delivering the flexibility to handle high volumes, maintain precise tolerances, and ensure stable, reliable production performance over decades.